we just saw a space in the marketplace that there was a gap. Small businesses, that weren't Fortune 500 companies did not have really representation from an insurance standpoint that bigger companies did. I knew that because I was a business owner and I didn't understand my insurance, and so we knew there was a space there for somebody to step in and really be that advocate for middle market, small market type businesses, and then personal lines, people that would truly be there, be an advocate for the client and not be, just selling the policy and then letting someone else do it, but really forming that relationship and looking to build a lifetime, relationship with clients.
The core values are integrity, service, and excellence, and that's real. I think everyone in our company believes that, and it's important to us. It's important that our clients understand that.
It's my job to take what someone writes and brings into the office and then be that person behind the policy. So if you need help with your coverage, you call me. If you need a change to your policy, you call me.
If they call us, they're not going to talk to a random person. When they call, they're going to talk to their dedicated service person. They're going to always be able to get to me or anybody else in the department that they've been working with.
I've watched some of our customer service team really just go above and beyond what they really need to do for the client, whether it's using the Google Translator so that they can have a conversation with that client, or taking the time to go visit them at their home to help explain their policy and their coverages for them, or taking photos for an inspection. We really treat every client as if they're the only client. And there's no client whose premium is too big or too small. We're going to treat everyone with the same care, the same, respect.
We started with 2 employees a little less than 3 years ago, and now I think we have 21 associates. Footprint is pretty much all over the eastern U.S. at this point. So the majority of that is in Florida. Georgia would be number 2. But as far as where we have clients, we're pretty much, especially from the Mississippi River over, we're in about every state serving clients.
So we looked at something that would reflect both of our values, and settled on, we're both believers, Christ followers, and we settled on Luke 9:25 as a verse, which basically it says, "What is the profit of man to gain the whole world and lose himself?" Which we thought had great business implications and insurance implications, because what is the profit to grow your business and then have something wipe it all out one day, but also from a longer eternal standpoint, why are we doing all this? We're doing all this ultimately for eternal purposes, and we don't want to ever forget that aspect, so we decided to put it in the name. And a lot of people mistake it, thinking we just work 9-2-5, but it's actually 9-25, based on Luke 9:25. We want to impact these communities for good, and not just by helping them with their insurance, with their any other types of needs that we serve, but by investing back in these communities and making sure that they're better than when we started.
When you're a client here, you're part of the 925 family.